All right, we're good. All right. We have head rocking. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We're gonna go a little further. Yeah. You're doing this. You're doing this for legit, for real. Maybe I could go. Yeah. No. What line is that? What line? Okay. What? Okay. I don't know what's going on. All right. Okay. Okay. So then now we need to do with physics. Yeah. Okay. I don't. That's quite a line. All right. It's a paragraph. Yeah, it's freaking yes. All right. So now we want to add a physics to this. And I have to remember how to add physics to an object. Modeling. How do we add physics? I think we add a physics to it. Physics settings. Okay. Physics settings. Let's go. Okay. Oh goodness. How does this work? We have a bird. It's just breathing. Oh my god, it's just breathing. All right. So then let's go to the hair. Hair move. All right. We're gonna add. Oh, I don't remember how to do this. All right, we're gonna look it up. We're gonna look it up. Let's go to the docs. All right. What? Nope. 5-2D. Into the docs we go. Okay. When swing controls by physics, necessary to prepare parameters with swinging motion impossible. Yes, we've got that. How to save physics. Physics settings are recorded in the model file. Okay. Procedure. Okay. Open the physics settings. Okay, we did that. Input output settings cannot be manipulated before the physics group is created. Okay, create a group. All right. So we're gonna go add group. We're gonna call it front hair. Hair maybe? Let's call it hair. We'll do it front hair. Front hair. Head head input. There we go. Physics mode. Hair. Let's do ripple pendulum hair. Okay, couldn't find the following parameters of the model. Param angle X. Apply on the existence. What? Param angle X, param angle Z, param body angle Z. We'll have to set all of them. Okay. So then input is, oh, we're back to this screen. To this screen. Okay. and input. Okay. Let's go to this. Oh, this is this. 80 movies. Okay. The names, what you want to do, and the presets we can look at. Groups can be created even if presets, inputs, and pre physical model are left on set. These can be changed. Okay, set output parameters. Set the swing parameters to work with the created group. Click output settings and switch the output settings screen. Okay. Output settings. Grow up, your heart dies. Where is it? I gotta find it. So the fun thing about reading the docs for this program is you have to you get to told what to do, but the screenshots are all in Japanese, which is super fun. So you just have to listen to what they say, and then you have to figure out what part of the menu they're talking about, because you can't. I think it's this one. Oh my god. It's so hard. It's so hard. Output settings. I see it now. Okay, output settings. Okay. And then click add to open the output parameter dialog box. And from the output parameter dialog box, set the parameter you want to move and click OK. Okay. Output settings, add. We're going to add hair move front. There we go. So now we have the hair move front parameter added on. Don't let it go. Okay. Drag the view area to move the model's face and body to follow the cursor. It also reacts when the parameters set for the input are moved from the list. Make sure the swings you've set up work appropriately. Okay, so we need to set the input parameters though. So input settings. So we're going to use input. We're going to use, so which parameters do we need? I don't know. Let's see here. Input is, so position X is, let's do head X, position X. Okay. And then we're going to add head Y. And it's going to be position Y. Maybe not. Head rotation, maybe? Excuse me. Head rotation is an angle. Let's see here. 20. So if we move head X, little wiggle, not a lot of wiggle, but something. We're getting there. And then the rotation. If we turn up the effectiveness, will it go higher? Let's go to 100. Okay. It's moving a little bit, but not enough. I want more. I want more. When you grow up, your heart dies. Oh, 100 as high as it goes. Okay. We might have to change the output settings a little bit. Isn't it now? I mean, it's definitely moving, just not very much. Doing some wiggle. Okay. What if we turn the effectiveness to be 100%? Just remember when you grow up, your heart dies. There we go. Very springy. That's what I'm talking about. Though I don't like where the pivot point is, but it's a little better. A little better. Okay. And we can add a parameter, which is the body. Which part of the body do we want to use? Like the whole body? I think we want do the lean warp. What happens if we move the lean? This 100 as well. Let's just go all out. Can't because it's all. Oh, no, we can't. Okay, never mind. Delete this one. Okay, so we just have had to move it. Normalization input, head input, body input, bust input. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the output settings. Completely blind to it. Okay. Scale. We can make it higher. We can make it like scale 5. Now we've moved the head. Very jiggly. Okay, we get a little jiggle. Okay, so the back of the hair. I want to change where the pivot point is if I can. Here we go. Okay. Okay, can we add another one? Add hair move in the back. There we go. And let's see here. Do we have the back of the hair moving now? Yes. All right. Well, it's got some wiggle. That's all right. We can crank it up a little bit though. Let's go 5. Let's go to there. There we go. That's good. Get some jiggly physics going on there. Cool. Okay. All right. Physics. And then can we add another physics model? Add. Oh, that's a preset. No. Let's go back to that documentation. We're going to create a new group. Okay. New group. Reset. All right. Group. Add. We're going to call this bust. Okay. Gonna be a bust input. Physics model. We're going to say bust big. Okay. Body angle Z. Okay. So body, we're going to input, we're going to say, we're actually going to use what are we going to use? We're going to use where is it? Okay, eye, head, arms, eyes, eyeballs, brows, mouth, belly, lean. We're going to say body Y. Is that the one? Let's see here. Body X is this one. I might want to use body X. What does body Y do? What does body Y even do? I don't know what body Y is doing. Body X. Body X. Where is it? Body X. Is there some jiggle there or not? I don't know if there's jiggle there. I don't think this group is working. It's not they're not attached, unfortunately. You could also make the arms swing, but that's more for our lean warp is a little weird. I don't know why our lean warp is doing that. That's not how it looked before. All right, we'll have to figure out what's going on with lean warp because that's not working the way I thought it would. The head is not changing, so the body's changing, but the head is somehow stuck in. It's not getting warped; it's just getting moved. Weird. Okay. All right, we're gonna agree. I think we can delete this one. How can we delete it? I don't know if we can group editing. We'll just delete this one. We'll delete this one. Doop. So we'll just do the hair. Just the hair. Yes. Oh, I have to click. Okay. Okay. All right. Front hair. Okay. So we got that. But I don't know what's going on with the lean group. We got to figure out what I broke there. All right. So let's go to lean. Yeah, what happened there? The head suddenly isn't in the warp anymore. Lean deformer, what happened? Are you not in? It is in there. Why isn't it lean? Why is lean suddenly broken? Because I added the other one. Somehow adding the warp deformer for the head for the rotation of the head just messed up with that one. That ain't good. Figure it out. Let's figure this out. Okay, lean. Why isn't it deforming the head? Why is it only deforming the body? I don't understand. Let's see here. If I add it back, do you think? Or is there just too many deformers on the head? And this is my punishment for not having pro. Weird. It's just not letting me do the deformations when I have head rotations. Well, that ain't good. All right, let's see what happens when we delete the keyforms. It sucks. But let's delete the keyforms. Re-add them. Let's go to the lean back. It's rotating the head for some reason. Weird. Oh, not that. It's not letting me deform the head. It's only letting me affect the rotation deformer. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Maybe we need to reorder the rotation. Maybe I need to pull this one up and then put this in here. And then I need to put the parts inside the rotation heart warmer. Could be an order issue. Maybe we have to deform first, then rotate. That could be it. We'll see. What happens now? Nope, that didn't work. Still got the lean is still broken. Is the head rotation still broken? I can head rotate. But for some reason, I can't. Well, yeah, it's not deforming. It can't deform the head, apparently. Shit. So I guess I can't have a rotation on the head and also have leaning forward and leaning back. All right. Here's what it is. Let's see if this fixes it. We can not have I'd much rather have the lean than the ability to rotate. That's the truth. Guess we don't get to have that. Delete this. Delete. And we'll have to go back to physics, of course. And rotation. Delete this. Let's find out if we fix the lean or not. Or that we're going to have to do something else with the leaning. But where's the lean? Lean. Yeah, see, now leaning works. So no rotation for us, I guess. If we're going to have leaning, we don't have rotation. That's unfortunate. Okay. Well, shit. Okay, well, let's add a full body rotation and see what happens. I'm curious. I'm curious. All right, let's save. Save. So what happens if we add a root deformer that is rotation? Great. What happens if we put this inside the rotation? If we put this inside the rotation, now what? Now how does that affect the lean? And then where's the rotation? We can only rotate the whole body. Okay. Add a parameter. Create parameter. I'm gonna call it body rotation. Body rotation. Okay. Add some keyframes. Just a subtle turn, I guess. Sounds reasonable. I'll turn the other way. All right. Boom, 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 boom. All right. He can shake like a bottle, but his head doesn't articulate. I guess having a non-articulating neck is okay for a bottle of ranch dressing. I guess that works. That's how it is. All right. Physics. We're going to change the input. This doesn't valid. So now we can do body rotation. Where is body rotation? Body rotation. Okay. So then let's see how it goes. Body rotation. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. All right. We got jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. So honestly, we edit this. Taking influence, overall acceleration. I'd really like a pendulum that has a root in the middle, if that's a thing. I don't know. I don't know if they have other settings. Can we change where the root is? No, I don't think we can only dangle. Can only dangle. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What would happen? Okay, well all right, let's add a new group. We're going to call it arms. We'll try it left arm. Input preset. Body input. Physics model. Let's do hair double. We'll do hair double. We'll see. And let's see what happens. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then the input is body X. Ooh. Ooh. Get add. We're going to have it connect to the left arm. Lower arm. And lower arm. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. It's not moving the thing I wanted to move. Okay. What part is this? Okay. Is it this one? Input setting, body X, maybe? Which is the body that makes it move. Body X. All right, a subtle wiggle of the arms. It's a little swing. Just a little swing. And then we could add one, which is the body rotation. Ooh, I get through body rotation. This is a angle. Just make these 100%. Super silly. All right. Really didn't affect it much. A little bit. Okay. X. change how the output scales. 100 to let's go to 5x. X on this one too. Okay. Body X. Okay, rotation. There, little jiggle, little jiggle, little jiggle. Okay, and then body X. The arms just kind of wiggle. Just a little wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, I've got it to spin. And then let's go back to the groups. Add. We call it upper arm. Foot preset. Body. We'll do another double. Yeah, it's fine. And then output. Add. We'll see if this even works. Upper arms. Input. Body X. And body rotation. We just slipped away. Crank it up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that's good. We're connected and everything. All right. There we go. Look at him swing. He ragdolls. do, 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 do. Lean. Where's my lean? Where's lean? Lean warp. It's, let's split it 50-50, I guess. Okay. So how's the lean affect it? Well, the arms aren't getting. Okay, cool. I'm okay with this. Okay. All right. That's that. Shall we load it into VTube Studio to see what monstrosity we have created? I mean, we have basic physics and stuff. All right. All right. That's like an export. Start for runtime. Let's make sure. All right. Let's make sure we're doing this right. Before we do anything, let's bring up the docs. All right. All right. Physics. Okay. Export. Edit data for embedded use. I think that's what it is. Types of embedded data. This describes how to output models and motion files for games and other embedded applications. The data embedded use is output from those files respectively as follows. All right. For editing, exporting, please display the parts that you need to hide and the parts you do not. When exporting an MC file, the first step is to edit the texture alias. All right. The edit texture alias for more information. Okay. Okay. Make sure everything's viewed and stuff. Okay. Here we save. Okay. A texture alias is an image of all the parts that make up a character arranged on a plane, and the texture you can add or delete textures, resize individual parts, etc. Click on the Edit Texture Alias button on the toolbar. This guy. Okay. Maximum number of textures is that. Okay. We're going to call this Ranchman Texture. Okay. Go to max. Okay. Let's see here. Texture name, enter name we want. Width, choose the width, the texture size. You can choose the height of the texture. Image for model display states. Only the art mesh that are visible in the parts will be in theirs. Okay. And displays automatic or texture sizes, details expect. Enter each item and click OK. And the dialog box appears. Okay. Okay. Surprisingly few textures for this alias. But it looks like everything's there. Okay. All right. The width and height of each texture can be changed, but depending on the SDK platform environment, the time of embedding, there are cases where only squares are supported. So please consult with the developer for setting a texture size. Okay. Okay. The following is a detailed description of each features. Details. Texture list. Okay. Everyone sizing, make sure the SDK is supported on your platforms. Typically recommended to width and height to be the same. Okay. So we have more than enough room on our texture alias. Okay. Got the layout. We don't want to do a manual layout. Changing the magnification. Okay, we shouldn't need to worry about too much of that right now. Okay. When you finish editing the texture alias with the models to be exported and displays, click on File, Export Embedded File, MOC file. All right, I think we're good on this. Cancel. Said okay. All right, so it's created the texture exit. So now File. Ooh, make sure we got the right thing. All right, we're finishing the texture alias. With the models exported, click on File, Export Embedded File. Export Embedded File. Sorry, export as MOC. Okay, is it this one? File. No. Okay, so it is the other one. Okay. File. Export for MOC3 file. Okay. Let's see here. That's ours. Okay. The export settings dialog box appears. Confirm new setting. Click OK. For the export target, select 1 of 1. Export the texture to its original size. Okay. We'll try this out. You can always try again, right? Export hidden parts. Okay. Guide image part. Export student art. Okay. Export the physics settings. Yes. Export calculation. Okay. Center of model is good. Canvas unit 1:1. Export target is 1:1. Export target SDK. And then we're going to create a new folder here. Call it Ranchman. Good morning or evening. Good day. Good time zone to you, sir. Welcome, 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 welcome. We have created a monstrosity. We have created the most cursed thing ever. A VTube unit model that is a bottle of ranch dressing. Ranchman lives. Let's see if we can get him into VTube Studio and see how truly cursed this can be. All right, models. So let's see. Load it. Somewhere I can go in here. I got to remember how to do this. I haven't loaded a new model in a while. Close this. So my turtle's going to get unusually large. Just excuse my turtle. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. But we're not going to be a turtle for much longer. We're going to be a bottle of ranch dressing here soon. All right. Models. Let's see here. How do I do this again? Is this the button? Oh, that's screenshot. All right. Nothing's labeled. Yes, it's Ranchman. It's Ranchman here. It's Ranchman. It's Ranchman. He looks around. He rotates a little bit. I can show you the physics here. If we go to the physics screen, you can see this is kind of like what he'll look like. And you can see he has certain motions he can do, like he can wiggle his top. He can move his head around. His hair bounces around with that. He can also lean backwards or lean forward. So like if you want to stay really get in your face, he can get into your face. That's the ultimate game. Is we will be making an animated GIF of Ranchman dancing the twist. So that will be interesting. I don't know why we can no longer scale the arms, but at least they move. But it's really important is that the face kind of gets right in your face there. He also his belly can wiggle independent of his torso, which is fun, which is important for doing the twist. I'll say that. And he has fully controllable eyes, just like my current model. So he can look around, he can look up and down, he can close his eyes, which apparently is the he can open his mouth. He can smile and he can open his mouth. So yeah, he's got all the physics of Ranchman. Yeah, Ranchman lives. Now we're just trying to see if we can incorporate it into VTube Studio. I just got to remember how to do that. Oh, and VTube Studio's got my mouth stuck open. Let me fix that. It always likes to do that. Yeah, it's going to be pretty wild, and that's just the way it is. It's going to be wild. It all started with a bad joke, and how it is. A bad joke goes too far. Where is the audio? I'm so bad at remembering what part of we've got. Let's go into here. So this is the program that almost everybody uses to do VTube Studio. Ooh, a Graveler is in chat. If you want to catch a Graveler. Somewhere I have my microphone setting, and for some reason it needs to be reset. There it is. All right, microphone. Hello. Hello. I don't know why my mouth is stuck open. I don't know why my mouth is stuck open. There we go. Okay, so that's fixed. Never mind. Oh, we got to figure out how to start a new model. So here, Import your own model. Yep. Open folder. And then we're going to go to where we've saved this. Streams. And then we're going to go to the video add-ins. Good luck with the catch. Hope you're having a good day. I know that you didn't have a stream today, but hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. And then what does he want? I think, okay. Create a folder containing your live 2D model in the following folder. Oh, they want me to put it in a specific place. Okay, so never mind. So we want to do that. And then I guess we want to just create a folder, call it Ranchman. Folder, Ranchman. Make it Ranchman folder. We should be able to just drop all this in here, and it should just, as a copy, and it should just show up. Let's find out. Okay. Go here. And then why do we not have it? Is it, we have, that's that model. We have that model already. Ranchman. Okay, it just had to take a second. Okay. Yes, we know how. Okay. We'll start with auto setup. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He lives. He lives. He lives. See here. We got to do a little bit of tweaking of the parameters and stuff to make it work. But let's see here. It's picking up the eyes pretty good. Let's bring out eyebrows as well, though I can tweak that a little bit. See, I can wiggle my torso. Hey, Lavender, if you've got a second. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm Ranchman. I have become Ranchman. Oh my god. It's terrifying. Okay. We got to tweak the parameters a little bit. But actually, honestly, the twist is the twist. It's all about the twist. I'm literally turning my torso and it's showing up on the screen. And then eye movements. Are eye movements going good? Yeah, eye movements look good. Oh, and if I turn I don't have the face parameters. I got to get the face parameters, because when I get the face parameters working, I should be able to make the hair wiggle as I move around, which is also super fun. Okay. Use physics. Physics strength is fine. All right, and now this is the arduous process of setting this all up. We should probably take a screenshot for the icon, but excuse me. All right, idle animation. We haven't made one yet. We're gonna have to make some animations today too. It is breathing, so that's good. We don't have any white outlines. I don't know what this button does. Go do that. And then what are we gonna do now? So let's see here. I don't think it's really picking up my eye movements too much. Fortunately, glasses make the eye movement pick up really hard. Last time with the turtle, I actually disabled the eye movements because it just can't pick up the eyes very good. Yeah, it's not very good at picking up eyes. I just want to make sure that the left and right is correct. Input is left eye open. Okay. Output. Do, 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 do. Okay. There we go. Okay, left eye turn. Yeah, left eye claims to respond. Okay, left eye is looking work. Okay. And then I'm not doing eye smiles right now because we didn't model those. We'll just do this the same. 7.3. It's also possible my eyes are just better. This one. Right eye open. Eye open. That's the one. Okay. Okay, we can blink. And then we're not doing eye smiles. Our X's and Y's are good. Now we just got to figure out YR. So here. Do, 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 do. Brow height left. Input. Okay. Output. Gonna do both, I guess. Oh, it's expecting 2. Do, 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 do. So this one only seems to want to support. Oh, there's right and left. Yeah. Brow left. Brow right. Can move my eyebrows. And we'll do this one. Oh, song requests are on if you want to make eye requests or song requests, song requests. Feel free. Smile. I'm gonna have to bump the bottom range. I don't know how to frown pretty well with my beard. Smile. Frown. Okay. Could go a little further on that frown. I have no preference. I don't know if there's a mood for making a animatronic Vance dressing bottle. So we did a video edit for Melly Baby, which was really fun. So we made Melly Baby's trailer and her raid video over the weekend. That was fun. That was one thing I did. I don't know. It was a pretty boring weekend. Okay, I want my neutral to be a little bit more neutral. We're kind of a little heavy weighted on the frown. So we're trying. So this is the input parameter that's picking up, and we want my neutral expression to be as close to 0 as possible. So that's what we're doing right now. If you're curious what we're tweaking. Sleep my eyes. But yeah, nothing terribly exciting. Just kind of a normal weekend. Other than making videos. Probably be making videos on Sundays for a while. If you ever want me to make a video for you, the procedure's pretty straightforward. You just got to get me a bunch of clips and a track that you want, and I can clip it down to the minute that Twitch wants. We can make a promo video for you. That's a thing. Okay, so my mouth is shut. It's as open as I'll get, but I don't really want to get that open. Let's probably go like 1.2 here. Okay. So we got that now. So we got some mouth motion. All right, body rotation. So for some reason, the body rotation is tracking my head and says instead of my body. I do have. We should make the mouth open wide like this. Ah, that's as high as it gets. Ah, ah, that's as high as it gets. Yeah, I'm kind of limited by the how much I gave it at the beginning. And then let's see here. So for somehow body rotation is going off of the face angle, but I don't think we want that. Let's see here what we got. What things do we have to work with? I don't know if we capture enough on this. I think we might have to deal with the fact that my head turning is what causes the bottle to turn, and we're not going to have any facial movements for this one, which is fine. But what we do want is we want lean. So where's the lean warp? Okay. So now I can move it. I can lean up and down. So now I can get in your face. And I can kind of be sad. I can be sad. All right. I might want to level set it a little bit better. So we're gonna do, let's see here. So this is leaning back all the way, which is about right. And then forward, we can probably like a minus 11. We'll do minus 10. Okay. There's up, there's down. There we go. And then we got left and right. Boom. Okay. All right. So we've got the leaning. Get the leaning for the body rotation. Ooh. My God, this is so terrible and funny. We've got breathing. Okay. Well, I think those are all the parameters we can tune right now. I'm not going to do ice miles right now because this is mostly for a novelty. I don't know how this looks in OBS right now. I might have to rescale it. Yeah, he's not visible. He's just poking his head up. We'll have to scale this a little bit. All right. Ranchman lives. Ranchman lives. All right. Actually, we'll zoom in a little bit. I can dance. Ranchman can dance a little bit. Yeah, I like the dancing. I like the three-dimensional motion is really nice. Yep. All right. Call it a success. Well, we're not done. We're just gonna have Ranchman for a little while, but Ranchman lives. Ranchman lives. So now we get to play with animations, which is fun. So, and now we're gonna go modeling. How do we do animations again? There's a button we could press to kind of like, is it window animations? I don't remember how we did this. Somewhere there's a button I can press that can bring up the animation studio. It can make some animations. Excuse me. Excuse me, a little burpy today. Where is the thing that lets me get model? Glossifer is in chat. Monotype mission, I believe. Yep, monotype mission this week. Catch 5 monotype Pokemon for a pile of great balls. Oh, and you need it anyway, so good luck with the catch. Where is the thing? Somewhere there's a thing that brings me up to the animation version, and I don't know where it is. Maybe it's under file. Where is it? Animation? Or is it just window animation? Oh, I'm gonna have to look it up. This software still completely ruins my brain. Okay. Let's just go to the software. Let's go to this. All right. Deformer animation. Preparation for animation. Okay. Before creating animation, set preparation will help the process go smoothly. IDs are assigned to all objects and parameters. Yes. Okay. It's on changing IDs. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. We'll figure that out. Okay. Auto loading and placement. Okay. Get animation was modeled to the scene. The scene described. Animation file predictor. Okay, so file new animation. So that is correct. File new animation. Oh, it got away. Sadness. Okay, we're going to be doing video for the animation. Unless I want to put animation. For now, let's do video. And change the setting letter. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, cool. So we've got a new animation. Yeah, I'm sorry. It'll come next time when the time is right. Glowcifer will come home when the time is right. Not a terribly rare Pokemon. You'll have another chance. Okay, create a new scene. When an animation style is created, the scene is called scene 1, is automatically created. Such settings as screen names, creating like blah, 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 is in the inspect. Good, fine. Okay, loading model files. Okay. Drag and drop the CMO file onto the timeline palette to place on the view. Okay. We actually dragged the freaking file right onto it, which is interesting. Da, da, da. Anai. Oh God. Anai. Well, where is the file saved at? Gosh darn it. Is it in live parts? It might be in live parts. Let's see if it's in live parts. Okay. Where is Ranchman? Where did I save Ranchman to? I cannot remember. Totally blind. There's the XVF file. There's the PSD file. I don't know where I saved it. Let's see here. Is it still loaded in, or did the software switch to the other version? I just drag it over here. Yep, there it is. Okay, we're good. All right, Ranchman is loaded. Okay, so our goal is to have him do the twist, or at least part of the twist. So that's the first. That is our objective. Should we choose to accept it? We're gonna call this twist. Rename. Are they gonna let us change the name? No, they're not. Oh, so there's the model. There's our scene. Can we rename the scene? No, apparently not. Scene name. Can we change the scene name? Where do we have the scene name set? Maybe it'll tell us in our documentation. Drag it off in the plan model. Can we change? Okay. Scene management setting. Such scene is style. Oh, it's in the inspector palette. Okay. Inspector. Okay, we're going to call this twist. Okay, I'm going to call it the twist. Cool. And now we have all our parameters. I'm going to make this a little smaller. Honestly, we can probably change the size of this to be square. Because we're not going to be moving around. Why is it? No. Okay, I'm going to put him right there in the middle of the scene. There we go. Okay. So now we just go through the parameters that we want to change and we do some rotation. So If I'm remembering this right. So we're going to go with body X. We're going to create a keyframe. Oh, drag it over to here. And then we move the timeline forward. We'll go to here. And then we can go to there. And then we can make another keyframe. We do need the scene to be a little longer. And we should be able to do waveform editing for this. Yeah, so it'll have a waveform for it. I don't know why he disappeared, though. I don't know why he disappeared. Is there a limit to how long a scene can be? All right, let's change our scene. Duration, yeah, number of frames, start from 0. Frame rate, 30 frames per second, which is fine. Okay, but why did he disappear? I don't understand that. Enough waveform. Why is the model not? Oh, we got to stretch him to the end of the scene. We're going to go to the end of the scene. There we go. All right, so now he's at the whole scene. And then we have the body. We're going to do waveform editing. Then we'll do another keyform. We can just keep adding keyframes and we can switch them around. And we can add another keyframe. Boop. Then we can go another one. Boom. So we'll see as we play. We got the wiggle, 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 wiggle. Maybe it's a little fast. I don't know. We'll have to play it. Play it. So there's the wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. We'll do the full 3-minute scene this way. And then basically we just animate each parameter. And then as we add more parameters, we get more body motion. It's not a terribly hard process to do this. And because we have the waveform editor, we can kind of do this really simple. Create all our keyframes. And then we'll go back to neutral at the end so that it cycles. We'll go to there. Kind of eyeballing it right now. We'll have to tune it later. So now we've got some wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And now we're going to do the opposite waveform for the other, for the belly, because it's the twist. I might be able to copy the waveform and then invert it. Copy keyframes. Paste keyframes. Nope. I was hoping to be able to create. Paste into selected rows. Come on. Let me copy the keyframes. Do I have to select them? Hey, none of that. So you copy like that. Copy. Paste. The range of the fast, the haste and copy are different. Adjust the value of proportion, the range support. Yeah, it's fine. There we go. And now we can see All right. And then we should be able to reverse these. Let's see here. So they should be in sync now. Oh, we copied it to lean. Oops. We copied it to lean. Whoops. There will be keyframes on lean, but we're not doing that. We'll just undo that. No, we're going to copy to the belly one. Belly. There we go. Belly. Paste. Yes, adjust. There we go. So now we should have both. These are in sync. But that's not how the twist works. The twist is backwards from that. So now we're going to go ahead and flip this. And then we should, there might be a way to just invert this, but we'll just do it this way. Now we're going to invert the waveform. And there. There. Now we should have twist. There we go. Now he's twisting. He's twisting. That's only part of it. Now we got to do lean. So lean, I'm going to have a keyframe here. We want to lean back halfway through the scene. And then we want to lean forward the other halfway of the scene. And then we want to restore to the center. This one. Okay, now he's doing the twist, and now I got to do the arms. Oh my God. All right, what am I going to do with the arms? We're going to do the arms too. To decide. I think the arms are still in the same waveform as the other ones. The back and forth is just like the real twist, right? You gotta lean back and lean forward. God, this is so bad. All right, so with that, let's do some arm movements. Let's finish this up before I like freaking can't see because my eyes are so tearing up from laughing. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So now we got to do hey, Lavender, before you go to bed. Oh, no, she's not going to look. She'll see the final product. It'll be fine. All right. Arms. Where are my arms? Arms. Okay. We're going to unlock these. We're going to do them individually. Get rid of this. Oh, I was going to show you. The arms aren't done, but all right. We're gonna put some keyframes down for these. Oh my God, my eyes. Ooh, Rapidash and chat. Adjust. That's fine. Paste in selected rows. Adjust. It's fine. We're gonna do all arm joints are gonna get. Yep. Get all the same keyframes. Good. And then I'm not sure if the twist has any head movements. It probably does. So let's make sure that we go to our example video here and see. We got this talented dance studio that teaches us how to do dances that I found, and we're gonna see how Lauren does it. Oh, we're gonna mute it though because we don't need the multiple musics. Let's see here. So this is the full twist and shout that she's doing here, and we're just doing a piece of it. Obviously, we're not going to do the full. All right, here it is. So the rolling the arms. We can't really do that, but we can do this one. So she's definitely bobbing her head back and forth a little bit. We might be able to get some of that motion as well. But there we go. We'll have him turn instead of bob because that's going to be a little easier. Okay. Put one here. No. Paste three from selected rows. There we go. All right. Do we also want to move it down a little bit? I think we might want to also move it down. So we'll see. We'll see how the keyframes work. So this is going to be a complete mess because we haven't set the parameters, but we'll see. We'll see if we've got all the pieces moving that we want. See, yeah, his arms aren't right because they're just swinging back and forth. It's a different dance. That's a different dance. But I'm digging the back and forth. Those are the wrong arm movements. We might. Okay, so let's look back at our reference here. I'll make sure they get the arm movements correct. So she's making, so the forward shoulder, she's pointing down and then lifting her fist with the left, and then she's shifting back. So we'll leave that as our model here. So we'll go to where the shoulder's forward. So the shoulder that's forward, we want to put our arm so it's dangling down. So right now we have the right forward. So we want the upper arm be about there. And then we want the lower arm. Let's see here. Lower arm needs to be swung down. There we go. If we can get that upper arm up a little bit more, we will. Get really a real chicken wing out of that one. And then we'll go there. That's that. So that one goes down, and that left arm is going to do like making a fist motion. So left lower. We're going to bring it all the way around to the other side. Oh, I don't know if we can rotate it. Oh, man, we may not be able to do it. Oh, we can do it a little bit. We can't. I don't think my arms can go all that direction. Oof. He may not have the range of motion to do this dance. This is bad. We might have to mess with the range of motion a little bit. Go to here. And upper arm. Yeah, that's what we're going to get. I don't think we can. I don't think I gave my rotational range to go too much farther, though we can fix it. Because we only, oh, that's not what I want. Because we didn't make it go all the way, but I think I probably can fix that. All right, let's go back to the mount, to the arm animation. Go back to Ranchman. Let's go to the arms. Where's the body deformer? Breath. Body. Left arm. Upper, we're in a lower arm rotation. I will make a redeem, Steve, where people can spend channel points to enable Ranchman. I think that's what's going to be how it goes. Is I don't think I'm going to be Ranchman all the time, but I don't mind being Ranchman if people want it. So I'll make a point redeem to enable like Ranchman for the next 10 minutes or something like that, and I'll put some in my shortcuts or whatever so I can change it really easy. But yeah, that's going to be the plan. It's my objective to make lots of models. Why am I not finding it? Yeah, that's right. You're ready to make it happen? Okay. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. So lower. Okay. Upper arm. Is this the one? Yeah. Oh, no, that's not. That's upper arm. Lower arm. So we're going to make this one go even farther because we want to be able to flex. We're going to flex. So there. Now we have. There we go. So we're going to make that our arm movements. So that'll help with the flexing. And then we're going to go a little farther on that one too. Yes, this is Cat Piano Africa, if you were curious what this song is. There are actually a couple of Cat Piano songs in my playlist that will pop up periodically. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. All right, so we want to flex. That's how it's done. Okay, so that's how we want it. Meow, 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 meow. And then what is the other value? So we want to make our lower arms. So we definitely want to go to here. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, so lower. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, it's Africa, but on a cat piano. Just, I think it's great. I love cat piano. And then our other value is about 14 and a half. Okay. So we're going to go to here. We're going to drag it up to 14 and a half. Meow, 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 meow. So yeah, so Toto's Africa as interpreted by Cat Piano. Fun times. I think it's the appropriate soundtrack for what I'm doing right now, considering I'm animating a bottle of ranch dressing. There's no better accompaniment to an animated ranch dressing bottle than Toto's Africa as played on a cat piano. All right, do we have the lower arms working? Upper arms are not working, but lower arms are working. Okay. So we decided about 17, and then we're going to do about 9.5. So this one goes to 17. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, that's the wrong button. Wrong lever. Sorry. Oh, Steve, this is funny. I don't know if it's in this scene. Let me make sure it's in this scene before you do anything. But I got to show you something. I'm ADHD moment. Let's make sure it's in this scene. Not scenes. Oh, not this scene. No, wrong scene. Wrong lever. Docs. Sources. Add media source. This is something Not Noodles made, and I think it's absolutely wonderful. So it's not going to come up very often, but let's see here. It's a little loud. Let's make sure that we fix that. It's audio. All sources. What's it called? I have so many video sources. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay, here we go. All right, we've got all that set up correctly. It's a little loud. That's okay. We'll figure that out. It's going to be a little loud once we turn it on, but then I'll turn it off again. So what we're going to do at this scene, okay, go away. Wait, okay. Where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Where'd it go? Crud. Bring to front. Group. Where is it? Order. Move to top. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Deleting it again. Shoot. It disappeared. Let's see here. It disappeared. It disappeared. I hate it when that happens. Okay. Remove this. All right. Remove. So we're going to do this again. It's not in this scene, so I got to add it to the scene. So just give a moment. Add media source. Existing, you lose. So what you do, let's say we have to ban somebody for some reason, like we get some like weird like spammer or something like that. Just do exclamation point ban. Only mods that can do this, and it runs it. And that's what we do to respond to people when we have to ban people. That should be on all of my scenes. So if we ever have to ban someone, just mods type exclamation point ban in the chat. And that's what happened. So thanks to Not Noodles on that. I don't have any timeouts on it or anything that because it is a mod command. I'm not going to worry too much about people messing with the stream. But so yeah, so that is how it's done if we want to ban someone. And I have another one. Oh gosh, like ADHD brain. We're gonna do one more. So we're gonna do another one. This is gonna be good too. Go smaller. Okay, and there's a mud brain type. So we're gonna do another one right here. So we're gonna. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to blur scene for just a second. Blur scene. But just a second, I gotta get the video. I think it's sitting in a private channel. I gotta make sure that it's that we don't reveal any happy surprises later. Again, thanks to Not Noodles. Not Noodles is the king of making green screens. I absolutely love it. So we're going to do another one right now while I'm thinking about it, because why not, right? Why not? So put this away on Blur. All right, so we're going to go in here. We're going to docs, sources. We're going to add a new one. Add media source. So this one, unfortunately, we have to. I have to code up something for it. So we'll add the source, but we won't be able to do the thing yet until I do a little bit of coding. It's not too hard, but I'll have to add a little code, which I might do here. This is another one that Noodles made. So not Noodles, just killing it on the videos. Local file. Gonna be my brakes escaped. Boo-hoo. Name me next one. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And let's do this. Need something like this for Cerulean. She got 2 days of trolls. Yes. So ask Not Noodles for the video, or I can send you the video, or I can show you how it's done. But yeah, I'm sure. Just make sure that Not Noodles is okay with you using it. All right, so we're gonna add the file. Restart playback comments. Use hard work coding when necessary. Show nothing when playback ends. All right, so there's that.
Sucks. Change it.
And then we got to set filters. We're gonna add a chroma key. There we go. Should probably make it play continuously while we're doing this process. Loop.
Sucks. Change it.
So there's the chroma keys
Sucks.
going.
Change it. Sucks. Change it.
Properties.
Sucks. Change it.
Actually, that
Sucks.
looks really clean. I don't think I need to change it.
Sucks. Change it.
And then
Sucks.
make sure the
Change
outputs are set correctly, because it's playing.
Change
It's
it.
probably going to the wrong sources right now.
Change it. Sucks. Change it.
And you can
Sucks.
probably
Change
guess
it.
what this one's for.
Sucks. Change it.
No VODs. It's just going to be a stream alert, so no VODs necessary. Make sure I can hear it. Properties. Loop it off. Cool. And then hand it. So then we go into the bot. And we're going to go in here and we're going to create a command. We're going to create an event command here. We're going to call it songs. We're at mod only. We're going to call it change it. So skip source. And then we're going to call it change it. And message dot body. I'm going to say strings contains skip. We'll do that. We do need to know how long this source is, so let me check that really quick. And then sources, video add-ins. See how long this is. Open with VLC.
Sucks. Change it.
2 seconds. Okay. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds. We'll give it 6 seconds. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for it to actually respond to the command. And we'll recompile real quick. Rebuild. Bot's going to be down for just a second. Takes a little bit of time to get the bot ready. Shut everything down. Disconnect from all the discords. So what we're going to do is we're going to recompile the bot with this new command in here. And so what this will do, yes, exactly. So when somebody requests a song that I absolutely don't want to hear, I will be able to do song skip on either on my deck, or mods can do this as well. Beavis will come, the music will stop. Beavis will pop up and go, "This sucks, change it," and then it'll skip to the next song. So we'll once the bot's running again, we'll show you how it works. Just give me a minute to recompile. So, it came up in a different stream. Basically, we all know a certain send someone. Oh, yes. I am now a bottle of ranch dressing, Evil Gamer. Welcome in. I just made it. I'm actually doing an animation where he does the twist. I haven't finished it yet, but he'll be doing the twist. It's Ranch Man. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. It's an anthropomorphic bottle of ranch dressing with locks and everything. But yeah, glad you like it. Let's see here. Did you enjoy the event, by the way? Did you have any good scores for the Easter event? I did not get a single shiny the entire event, but I did get a viewer get a shiner. So I had my first viewer shiny ever over the event, which was cool. But yeah, we're also doing a little bot stuff today because random. This is kind of a random stream, actually. It's a super random. Yeah, so my very first shiny, it was a Chubchoo, which is a massively unremarkable Pokemon. But somebody caught a shiny Chubchoo. That's my first shiny ever. Cute, but kind of grosses me out, unfortunately. Chubchoo is one of my least favorite. I doubt it. I severely doubt it. This is the person who caught it is a brand new to the, well, I wouldn't say he's brand new to the Pokemon community game, but he doesn't really know much about the Pokemon community game. Desi Gaming is what his name, but he's a streamer, and I just got him to add Pokemon community game to his channel. Like literally today was the first time he had PCG in his channel. And yesterday he caught a shiny, which was also awesome. So that was cool. But glad to see you around, Evil. Hope you're doing well. Let's see here. So if we do exclamation point songs skip. Yeah, so that's what happens. How's that, Steve? You like it? So yeah, I was saying there's a certain somebody who likes to request certain songs which are not okay. That wasn't the same person. Yeah. I don't think Desi's going to be doing ranked battles anytime soon. But yeah. So I just gotta. I mean, in this scene, it doesn't really matter where it sits. I think I'll make it a little bigger on this scene, actually, just because I can. So, excuse me, you're going to have to hear it a couple of hundred times while I find the right position for it, because apparently you can only resize it when it's playing. But we'll just do that. We'll just have it take this whole scene. This is fine. So there we go. That will happen when a mod or I skip. Yes, Ranchman. Glad you enjoyed it. It's cool. Yeah, just trying to do more creative production. It's fun to play games on Twitch, but I have to remind myself that at my core, I'm somebody who likes to create stuff, and so it's always fun to dedicate some streams, and it came up in a different stream there was a bit of an argument about the best condiment, and somebody kept saying that the best condiment was obviously ranch dressing, and the streamer was actually was Desi, honestly, the same guy. And he's like, stop talking about ranch. I don't want to talk about ranch. And we're like, yeah, we should get some hot wings and get some ranch. And one thing led to another, and the idea of Ranch Man was born. And now I have brought Ranch Man to the world, and no one can ever look away. And I'll never see a bottle of ranch dressing the same way again. So, and thus Ranch Man was born. Exactly. And then we've got the lower arm good. We've got upper. I think we need to adjust the top frames. All right, so that we need to do, so right upper is the inverse of left upper. Right upper. So it needs to be 9.5. Okay. Right upper. We're going to go up to here. About 9. There we go. And then we need to bring this guy down to 17. But yeah, I hope you're doing well, Evil. Thank you for stopping by. If you can stay, that'd be awesome too. But if not, I understand. You have a lot of stuff going on in your life. Hopefully things are well. I know that you've been doing a lot of Rocket League and some other stuff lately, and doing TikTok, which is TikTok. Such a thing about TikTok. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, so now, yep, he's doing the arm motions. All right. So that is the twist. All right, so now we've created the twist. Come on, baby, let's do the twist. All right, so Ranchman is dancing. So now we're going to create a GIF out of that. All right. Okay, so, and I think there's a next part. Yeah, you're just happy to know you're doing okay. Oh, well, yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for checking in on me. Yeah, things have been wild. I've been doing a lot of changes in my schedule, a lot of changing in my viewing. Unfortunately, I've not been able to play Pokemon Community Jam in other people's streams too much lately, unless it's specific people I'm trying to support. Just trying to focus on that stuff, which means that I haven't been in your channel as often as I used to. But definitely, I'm doing okay, and I hope to see you again later. But yeah, my schedule's kind of different now. I've got a lot of projects. I've been doing a lot of video editing as well. That's one of the things that I've been making channel promo videos for people. I actually made one for a friend just yesterday. So I've been doing those, and I'm going to be doing another one for Desi actually next week. And I'll probably make one for my mod, Suppa Steve, if he sends me the clips. So making a lot of video editing. And I also have a huge project, big, giant secret project, which is a gigantic and very ambitious editing event or editing job that I'm working on. That I have finished the director's cut for that large job, and now it's just a question of getting things together, and we'll be launching that project on 420. Of course, we're going to be launching it on 420. It wasn't my decision to do 420. I think it's just funny. I'm a teetotaler myself, but everybody likes to light it up, but yeah, so that's been also taking a lot of my time. It's been really hard. I've still played PCG in my channel and some friends' channels, but like I just can't be sweaty on it anymore. Ooh, there's a Gligar in chat. Oh, I should give a shout out to Evil just in case somebody else wants to follow you. So Steve, Evil Gamer is another VTube. They've been doing a lot of Rocket League lately, but they also play PCG. They're kind of like, if people ask me about PCG, most of the things I know about PCG I've learned from Evil Gamer. I would say 99% of the things I know about PCG, Evil Gamer was able to teach, because he runs a channel that's on mic for like 40 hours a week, but also continuously up, and he's got really helpful mods. He's a 24/7 stream, so that's Evil Gamer's whole deal. Rocket League, he's kind of becoming a Rocket League sweat. Oh, I was just gonna say that if you're curious of who Evil Gamer is, he is the person that taught me everything I know about PCG. So I was gonna give him a shout out since he decided to stop by and say hello. But yeah, he's a 24-hour streamer. He does PCG, he does Rocket League, he does Pokemon related things, all sorts of stuff. And there's a Gligar in chat. In case you wanna try to catch the Gligar, you got like 10 seconds on the Gligar. I don't know if you're gonna make it though. And now we've got this modeled, and now we just got to turn it into a GIF, and I have to remember how to do that. So I think I export, yes, export as GIF animation, frame rate. We'll do 16 frames per second, I guess. That seems like that sounds a lot. We'll see. Loop, make background congruent. Let's see here. Ranchman, the twist. We'll just toss it in the root, I think. And then we'll see if it's big enough to put in somewhere like Twitch. We'll see. All right. So we'll see how it turned out. So there he is. He's doing his dance. Oh, wow. Yes, it's been really fun. So now let's see if Twitch will accept it. All right. Viewer rewards, emotes. Is it going to happen? Are they going to accept it? Let's find out. All right. Upload new animated emote. Let's see. Let's see if we can pull it off. All right, cool. Thanks, of course. Thanks for stopping by. Dance. Let's see here. Where is it? Where did I call it? Oh, it's in PNGTube. All right, the twist, the GIF. Come on, accept the diff. Accept it. Too large. Okay, so we got to downsample it a little bit. I kind of figured that was going to happen. Yeah, of course, we might have another one. I mean, I started this one Saturday. Like, I've gone from 0 to Ranchman in 4 days. So, just gets faster and faster every time. Let's figure out how big it is so we can find out how much smaller we need to make it. All the condiments. Yeah, it's like there's that temptation. There's a temptation to do a condiment, to do a whole condiment seared mustard man. Yeah. Dijon boy. Yellow mustard man and Dijon boy. It could happen. It could totally happen. Let's see here. So how big is it? So this one was 2.5 megs, and I think Twitch wants to keep it under a meg, if I'm not misforgotten. Let's see here. How big do they want it to be? Yeah, less than a meg. Okay, so let's try. Yes, that's how we ban people. We can skip song too. Just gotta wait for it. Here, let's see here. Let's skip this. We're done with Glasslands for now. I'm actually wearing a Glasslands shirt right now. You can't see it, but I am a fan of Glasslands. But let's skip it just to see if it works. Songs. Actually, go ahead and you try. Sub Steve, try to do exclamation point song skip. See if it works. I want to see if it works for you. It's got to be a space. Songs with an S space skip. That's how you do it. Okay. GIF animation. Well, it skipped, but it didn't play the video. Or maybe it did. No, I didn't think it played the video. Okay, well, all right. We'll have to figure this out. Do, 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 do. So what happened? So let's try this again. Let's try this again. So is it only you? I bet it's only, ooh, interesting. So let's see here. Songs, skip. It works for me. So it worked for me and didn't work for you. Okay, that could be a bot. That could be a bot issue. That could be a bot issue. Okay, well, we'll figure that out. Well, at least when I skip songs, it's going to do that. So that's a start. That's a start. It's good to know that you can skip songs in case we're all tortured out here. Do, 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 do. All right. I wonder why that didn't work. Because I've got it as is mod, and you are a mod. I don't know why it didn't do that. Oh, we'll have to figure that out later. Right. My attention span's already changed. Frame rate. Let's drop the frame rate down to 8 frames per second. And see how big that is. And see how it looks too. See if it still works. It's a little choppy. But it works. Let's see. Is it too big though? That's the question. Because we can also go the other way. We can just downsample it. It's still too big. So let's downsample it and see how we'll go. So let's go do export GIF animation. Let's do 512. And let's bump it back up to 10 frames per second. Try that. See how that one looks. Reason. Still pretty decent. Still looks pretty different. Let's see if it's under 5 or under a meg. It is. Okay. Let's see if Twitch will accept that one. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. All right. Okay, let's get rid of these other ones since we don't need them. I'll rename this one. See if it goes. There it goes. Thumbnails work. Here we go. Attribution is me. Always, if you make Wiimotes, always be sure to make the attribution yourself. Upload. And then we will put that in the subscriber. How do we do this? Wrenchman twist. I don't know. Does it just click on it and go slot assignment, subscriber tier 1? In my set, it was I think it was pre-approved. Yeah, it was pre-approved. I'm pre-approved. So let's see. Let's see here. I might have to refresh the source to get this to work. So you might have to refresh your tab to show up. And then let's see here. Scroll over here. I still don't see it. Should be there though. Number. I don't see Ranchman yet. Not in that video. Let's go to the stream manager. Maybe we can do it here. Let's see here. Is it? No? All right, let's refresh the tab. I do, yeah. I don't have any issues with the uploads. I'm a lucky guy. I got instant upload. Not seeing it. It might take a few minutes. All right, but it's there. Well, it'll be there one of these days. It'll be there soon, I guess. We'll see here. Let's make sure that it's in here. Rewards, emotes. Oh, you had something happen? Yeah. Ranchman's there. Doesn't look too bad. It's very small, unfortunately. Trying to upload your booty emotes? Yeah. That'll do it. Got to keep those booty emotes in Discord, or do what Zaddy did and make your booty in. You just make it in a redeem, or make it something that's on screen. It's fun as doing it in the emotes, but you can always put it in your own channel, which is always an option. Yep, there he is. All right, it just took him a minute. Oh, what? Quit that. Back. Yes. Let me have the ranchman. Why is it locked? Unlock 7 emotes and more subscriber minutes. Interesting. It doesn't think I'm subscribed to my own channel, which is weird. Okay, weird. Or maybe I've lost those slots. I thought I got to keep those slots forever. Well, it's still processing, I guess. Let's see here. Maybe we can do it in Stream Manager again. I want Ranchman. Give me Ranchman. Oh, you got it. Okay, you got it. That's what matters. It just took it a minute. All right, we got Ranchmans. Ranchman is going. We got Ranchman. So there we go. Ranchman lives. Dancing bottle of ranch dressing. It exists. I think I'm gonna do the high res one just for shits, just in case. I want to put it somewhere. Yeah, now you got Steve and Ranchman dancing together. I love it. Okay, we're gonna. I know I deleted the other one, but I'm gonna recreate it. I just want it to be. We're gonna have the high res one just in case I want to post it somewhere, since this was quite the experience. Let's call this high res. Okay. High res Ranchman. And it is 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna wrap up. I like to get something done and get to a point where I feel like oh, we're gonna save the animation. We're gonna call it. We're gonna put it in the Ranchman directory, and we're gonna call it the twist. And we may even be able to. Can we make this? Now I want to know. Can I put this in VTube Studio? Ooh. Export for runtime. Export motion file. Selected scene. Model Ranchman, all parameters. We probably need to re-export the model for it to work. So we can do that. And then while we're thinking about it, we probably need to go back to Ranchman and re-export it as the MOC. Because we changed the arm motions a little bit. Let's do that. Let's really quick. So export runtime, MOC3. We're going to we'll do that again. Yes, overwrite. You want to overwrite Ranchman JSON? No. Okay. And then we're going to go to VTube Studio. We're going to fix this up. A Chingling is in chat. Wild Chingling. Wah, 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 wah. All right. right, open folder. Ranchman. Oh yeah, catch that Chingling. Let's get it. Let's get those Chinglings. Do, 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 do. Oh no! Oh no! Replace all files. You still got time. You still got time. We'll make it. We'll make it. I believe in it. Okay. Let's just toggle back and forth between the two. I know I don't have the turtle icon set up. Okay. Let's see. Got motion. Arms are fine. All right. And then we can go in here and we can change animations. All right. Let's see here. We don't want to have it be the idle animation. Let's see here. I don't know how to add animations. I'm trying to remember. Animations. That's a hotkeys. No one caught it. Rip. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's see here. Where do we add animations? I'm trying to see. The model settings. Is it this one? Okay, select an item scene you want to modify. Oh, that's items. Okay, we don't want items. Let's see here. That's the models. That's the items on the scene. That's the background. We don't want to do that. That's a log file. It's got to be in here somewhere. All right. Microphone settings. Gonna make sure the microphone is set up. Wah 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 wah. All right. So no, it's not here. Not sure. Oh, part of the problem is my camera is really not facing me right now. It's just a minute. Let me fix that. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. Animations. How do I create animations again? I don't remember. Visual effects, display lighting, virtual webcam. Nope. Record animation. I don't need to record one because I already have it. I already made it. Physics. We have idle animations. Physics settings. We've got that. Is it just, do we add it this way? That's just a parameter. No, we don't want to add a parameter. We just do it here. Hey, Pooh. I'm a bottle of ranch dressing. Oh, there's a subscriber emote too, in case you didn't notice. For some reason, I can't use it because it doesn't know that I can use it. I don't understand, but Steve can use it. Ranchman. He's dancing. He's dancing. The full res version of it, I can show it to you. Well, I can in a minute. Okay, this isn't it. Gosh darn it. How do I do this? Expressions editor. Create new expression. Is that how it's done? Let's see here. No, we don't do that. No, it's not an expression. It's an animation. There's a way I did animations before. And I don't, for the life of me, remember how I did it. Let's Google it real quick. Oh, here's something else cool. Let's say we don't want to hear this song anymore, right, Pooh? Thanks to Not Noodles. Oh, it didn't play it. Did it not play it again? Maybe it only works some of the time. Let's try this again. Is it somehow random? There we go. Maybe it's every other time. So every other time we skip a song, apparently it plays it. I don't know why it doesn't happen every time. Maybe that's an OBS problem. And then also, if we ever have to, no, it's Ranchman. Also, we have to ban someone. If we ever have to ban someone, which doesn't happen very often in this channel because we do this. That's the ban. Again, thanks to Not Noodles. Not Noodles is the best when it comes to those. So yeah, we can do that now. So we've added some new Easter eggs in the channel. Those are mod only commands though. So got to be a mod. Now that one was the idea came from Meilu. Let's see here. I'll shout her out. Meilu's I think she has 3 U's. Yeah. That's another streamer that I watch all the time. I'm actually a VIP in her channel, believe it or not. I've been watching her for so long. But yeah, it was her idea to do that. And so thanks to Not Noodles for making it happen. And everybody, and if anybody wants to know how to add that to your OBS scene, or whatever, I can't, it's my bot that runs it, but it's still cool. What was I doing? I was looking up how to add an animation. Add animation. Animations, V2 Studio Wiki. Based on tracking from loading animations. Animations can be created with the animator. Once your animation is done, select File, export Rentoid, Motion File. This will give you a live 2D. You can easily put them in the same folder as your load label or footer. These animations can be okay. In VTube Studio, you can set various settings for animation playback. Holding animation on last frame. Well, yeah. Well, how do we actually see it? How do we actually like set it to something? I don't understand. Is it just because it's a hotkey now? Is that what's going on? Hopefully this reloaded. I don't know if this fully reloaded. Maybe that's part of the problem. So if we go to here. Hotkey action, animation. Play animation, motion 3D. Okay, select. There we go. Animation is the twist. Select. And then we can set a hotkey for that. So we can do key. Let's do kind of a fan of Alt myself. We can use Alt. Let's just use a record, I guess. We have record, Alt, key, T, T, and then W. So. All right. So we can do that as well. So like if we ever just feel like dancing, we can dance. We can dance. Oh my god. Okay. So that's that. All right. We've accomplished our goal. We've created an animated emote of a ranch dressing bottle doing the twist, and as a bonus, we have a fully rigged V2 model. Are you gonna see? So I have it as an emote as well, but I can remember the sequence. There we go. There he goes. And then the full one that has like the arm animations and stuff instead of just like wiggling, because you can't control all the parameters in VTube Studio. Well, it can't see my arms. No, I'm only using it for face capture. I would need a much better setup, but that's the actually doing the arms for the twist. That's what the twist is. He's leaning forward and leaning backwards. We succeeded. I'm sure Desi will be very excited. I was hoping to see him today, but maybe he was a little busy, so he couldn't come in. So yeah, that was our goal for today. We completed our goal. I'm probably going to wrap up stream. I'm glad that you could come in and check it out. Let's make sure everything's saved. Yes, save. We can put Ranchman down for a little bit. Make sure that he's in the right spot. So I'm probably going to go back to my turtle and make this a redeem, as I was telling Suppa Steve. So you'll have to spend points if you want to bring Ranchman out in the future. Let's see here. I kind of prefer the turtle, but you know, Ranchman's fine. And I don't know why he's not. I'm going to move him up. Oh, let's make sure he's centered and stuff. Steve's got the points to make Ranchman happen every time Steve is here, so I should be kind of afraid. But there's Ranchman. Let's scoot him over a little bit. He can live. He can live right there. Ranchman. Ranchman. And then I can just easily switch this back when I need to. And then we can go boop. We can go back to this, and I am once again a turtle. That easy. Easy peasy. And switch between them whenever I need to. Oh, I want to position him a little bit better. There we go. So that's that. And I don't have any dancing. I should make a dance for my turtle at some point. That would be fun too. Maybe I should have a dance emote for my turtle. That's that. Cool. All right, with that, we can go back to the. Oh well, we have one other scene to look at. So let's see. Which scene is it? Is it this scene? No, it's not that scene. It's this scene. No, it's not that scene. Is it 4? I can never remember which button does which. So we can also see how Ranchman looks on this scene. Ranchman on this scene. He could be a little more zoomed in. Don't have as many degrees of freedom as I want, but it's got enough. But yeah, so he can be in this scene as well. And we'll go back to turtle. Back to turtle. Okay, cool. And then we will find someone to raid out to, I think. So I appreciate you both being here. And Evil Gamer, if you're still out there, thank you for checking in and seeing how I'm doing.